Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Question Mark. I'm here in Hudson, New York today with Eric Tertault of EJT Contractors.
Hi Mark, welcome.
Nice to be here.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, it's great to be here in Hudson, New York, because Eric is doing some great work as always. And he took me through this home that he's been working on, and I noticed that there's some burnished, highly steel-troweled concrete, and I asked Eric if he was going to set tile on this, and he told me that he is. But he can't set tile on this concrete because it will have a problem bonding. So Eric, what did you do to prepare this concrete to properly bond?
Well, to prepare this concrete properly for better practice installation methods, we ground down the concrete as good as we can so that the steel trowel finish, which is very dense and very non-absorbent, would be broken down to give us a more porous, more absorbent, and better prepared surface, as well as flatter, cleaner, and there's no bond breakers, there's no sealants, there's no cure-in seals, there's no peaks and valleys that may interfere with their flatness, as well as a good bond of earth and set.
So you were able to use your grinders, your HEPA vacs that I see, you've got some hand grinders, you have dust collection equipment, and not only did you remove that bond breaker, but you make this floor flat to within tolerance for that large format tile you'll be installing.
Yeah, we have a 900 millimeter tile, which is about 36 inches in square. And so we need our tolerance to be within 1/8 inch and 10 feet and 1/16 and 2. So we make sure with our hand grinder and our big grinder that this floor is within tolerance without any further need for self-levelers, for patching, or for building up out of the set.
Wow, that's great work, Eric, and a great explanation. Thank you very much for allowing me to come through. Great work as always.
Thanks for coming.
Remember to subscribe, tune in, and watch us next time on Question Mark.